everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here. Today I'm working on a fun experiment. I decided that I would try to do a blowout, or a bloom as you want to call it, with Australian Floetrol as my cell activator with Golden's Carbon Black, and then two colors. I have the Pearl Violet by Amsterdam and the Pearl Blue, and my base will be Amsterdam's Mars Black. I'm excited about this experiment. Haven't done this before. I'm gonna experiment with the different layers. This is a 10 by 10 wood canvas. If I like it enough, maybe I'll even do a coat of resin on it. We'll see what happens, but wish me luck. It's dry, it's amazing. I love seeing those colors pop through. Absolutely awesome. I never know what it's gonna look like until it's completely dry, so I love the mystery of that. These awesome pearl paintings, paint by Amsterdam is awesome. Now I'm going to add a beautiful layer of KS resin, and this is really gonna pop out. There is a discount code down in my description. It is Cherish 10 if you wanna save some money on KS resin. And I'm gonna go mix that up and show you what that looks like. I'm super excited how this came out. There's a little bit of a glare with the studio lights, sorry about that, but I am really happy. These colors really popped through. It's just, oh, I love it in every way that I turn it, I love it. I am gonna do more of these like ASAP. I have to do this like right away. I don't have the green from Amsterdam, the pearl colors. I'm kind of surprised I don't, so that means I'm gonna have to take a trip to my local Jerry's Artarama to get some more, for sure. I thought I had it, but maybe I ran out. All right, and then here is the trivet. Oh my God, that is only one coat of the KS resin. There's absolutely no bubbles in this. Absolutely amazing. Look at that, it's like glass. Oh, it's gorgeous. I'm going to do another layer. I like to do 2 layers, especially to make it as durable as possible. Technically this is a trivet, so they could, if anybody bought this, they could actually use it as a heat resistant thing when they're cooking, but it's heat resistant up to 500 degrees. So it's so pretty though. Would you really want to ruin it by putting anything hotter on that? I would be so sad. But I love the colors. I love how it popped through. I love the glass look of that resin. Like I said, I do have a discount for KS resin, so that will be down in the description. And if you liked these projects, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. It's completely free. And I will see you all in the next project. Thanks for watching.